Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to import leads via CRM. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module, Dev import CRM lead. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM, go to styles and see here this menu for import. Now click on and available here two options using CSV or Excel, but I found to using CSV. Here available these two, Johnny and Thomas. These both are import. So select here CSV type, upload here your file, CSV, and now import lead. And see here Thomas and Johnny both successfully imported. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.